In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single arm dumbbell squat. We're going to be using what's called offloading in this exercise. So we've got a position where when we come into our squat, because I've got the weight in one hand, I've got a little bit more obliques and trunk stability that's required because my center of gravity is slightly off in comparison to if I had the same amount of weight in both sides. So that's the additional benefit. Got a little bit more trunk and core stability that's required during this variation. Now, first thing I want you to do is you're going to come feet hip width apart. You're going to point the feet ever so slightly away from each other. And then from this position, I'm going to bring my bum back first. So bum to the back of the room. And then from here, I'm going to keep my chest up as I come up, bending my legs and then extending. So from a side-on position, that bum back motion, you can have your hand at your chest or to the side. Bum comes back first. I'm going to sit back into the squat. I'm keeping my chest up, come as low as your mobility allows, and you're always looking up, keeping the chest up as you try and track your knee over the position of your big and second toe. What does that mean? Well, when you're in position, what you don't want to do is bring those knees in or too far out where your inner arch starts to lift. So you want the whole foot in contact with the floor when you're doing your squat. And you can have a little look down, or you might use a mirror. And you want to make sure when you're doing your squat that the knee is tracking over that big or second toe. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a single arm squat, where you've offloaded and offset the weight onto one individual side. Of course, you'd do exactly the same on the other side when you're done.